Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new. And if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about
puff, y'all. Vinyl puff, and not just any puff, baby. Let me show you this puff that I got. That's the puffiest puff I've ever seen in person, honey. This 3D super puff heat transfer vinyl that I got it in gold and metallic, you guys. This puff looks so good. I have to shout out VTS, which stands for Vinyl and Tools Supply. This is the company that I randomly found one day, and you guys, this puff is puffing. Do you hear me? Vinyl Tool Supply. I actually have a link, so you see it there, but use my link down below, and I have a coupon code for you guys. It's Dreamers is the coupon code. All of that will be down in the description. Okay, so we are going to be testing out the gold and silver metallic, and then I have a white that they provided as test strips. So I'm super duper excited for this, because when y'all see how popping this 3D super puff is, it's going to be amazing. So those were all the instructions that came with the package. I already cut it out, and I have it. It's gold, silver, and it's white. I went ahead and got it together, y'all. I'm so excited to show y'all this. So I was in Cricut, of course, and what I did was I'm showing you the measurements of the hearts that I use, because I just used some hearts, and we're just gonna make it. Let's cut these hearts and see how this goes. I did use a basic cut. My settings were glitter iron on, and y'all know I always use more pressure. I'm always using more pressure just because I'm extra, and that's just what I do. So anywho, I went ahead, let it cut it, and look at y'all, it weeded so well. It was very smooth, very easy. Look at that, nice and clean. I absolutely love the way that it weeded. And then of course, you know, we have to lint roll our shirts. This is a BELLA+CANVAS size medium 100% cotton shirt. I was getting y'all close so y'all could see that. I want to test it on 100% cotton. So I'm going to go ahead, and the degrees is 280 degrees right now. I lint roll, I pre-press so that I can get the moisture out. And if y'all could see, I have heavy pressure. You guys want to use heavy pressure for puff, okay? So I'm putting the white, the gold metallic, and the silver metallic just to see how it goes. If you could see, the degrees is 280, actually it was 281. And I'm going to press this for 10 seconds. They recommended 275. They said for them 280 works the best for 10 seconds. So I'm going to just try what they use first to see how it works. Y'all see that puff pop right off of there in the beginning, the white puff. That gold metallic and silver metallic didn't look like it was puffing. So I'm like, what's going on? The white did a good job. The white is puffy. I'm like, that metallic is still flat. So I was scared to kind of peel it off. But later on, I learned that for the metallic, peel it right off and it helps to puff. So I didn't know that in the beginning. This was my first time, and I'm like, So I was scared. I'm like, let me try to peel it off, see how it looks. And I'm like, I don't know. I'm confused. So what I decided to do was to go ahead and press it again. So I'm like, let me just press it again, see how it works, see how it goes, and then we're going to see. Now remember, it's still at 280 degrees for 10 seconds. The white still looks great, but that metallic silver and gold was not popping right. I'm going to bring y'all close so y'all can see. Look how good that white pop, y'all. I'm fixing my color balance and everything so you guys see. Look how good that white looks. That white looks amazing. It was pressed twice. Y'all see like the hump. So that's how you know it's a good press, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little closer, and then I'm going to adjust the lighting so that you can see it a little bit better up against that white. I'm changing it so you can see it good, because you see that? Now you see the difference. Ooh, that white is puffing, baby. Absolutely love the way that looks. And that was the strip they gave us. This metallic is not doing what it's supposed to do. And I'm like, I know it's supposed to be way better than that. So I'm going to try it again. What I decided to do was to press it at a higher temperature, but a shorter amount of time, because that's the thing with puff. Just if you don't know anything about puff, you have to play around with it. I'm playing around with the lighting and stuff so y'all can see it, but you have to play around with it to get the right puff. All right. So I wrote down what did the white puff, which was the 280 for the 10 seconds. And then now I'm going to go ahead and try this metallic again. So I decided to scoot it over a little bit. And I am going to do it at 300 degrees for, I think it was 8 seconds. So we're going to see how this turned out. I am whispering because it's late.
Oh, there we go. Oh, we got action. Oh, we got action. Oh, we got action. Oh, look it, see. And it popped this one up too. Oh, we got action now. There we go. 308 seconds for the metallic. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see that? Oh, that is puffing. Oh, this looks good. Yeah, this looks real good. Oh my goodness. It's so late and Maddie's sleep, y'all, so sorry. But look at that puff. Now that's what you call a puff, baby. So the metallic, 308 seconds. I'm gonna turn and see if y'all to see it. I need y'all to see this. Oh yeah. Look, oh yeah, right there. You see that puff? Don't play with me. Mm-hmm. Oh yes, sir, Bob. Oh yes, sir, Bob. There we go. Y'all see that 3D? Puff. Yes, Lord. Oh, look at it. Oh my goodness. Look at that puff. See, you gotta play with it. Oh my gosh. Look at that puff. Don't look at my nail, but look at the puff. Okay. And this one rose this one up. This a little janky because it wasn't supposed to be on there. But it still rose it. That one I gotta put on there. But yeah, okay. And this one's still puffing. See that? Oh, these look good. You can see it. Look at this. Look how puffy it is. All right.
So what I'm learning about puff is all puff is created different. If you get it from different places, it will puff different. I have been using puff for about 3 years and I have not found one that was this puffy yet. I will reorder some of my other ones just to check, but this puff, psh.
You see how it's jumping off the fabric? Like you can see the indentation. That's how you know it's really puff. Because you can see it indented in there. Oh yeah, we did that.
Now that is how it literally looks like something is on top of the fabric, okay? And shout out to BELLA+CANVAS because that cotton, woo, that Airlume cotton, that Ring-Spun cotton is looking really, really nice. But yes, I'm just showing a difference with that and I love it.
Now I wonder, will it be too hot for the white? We're gonna see. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Okay, so once again, this was super late and I was whispering because Madison was asleep. The white puffed up amazing at 300 degrees for the 8 seconds. So what I did was I said, let me go ahead and do 300 degrees for the metallic for 10 seconds. When you're testing puff, you have to just keep playing with it, okay? So we saw the gold puff did amazing at 300 degrees and 8 seconds, but that silver, I didn't pull it off at first originally. So I'm learning also the puff, when you do the puff, it helps to pull it completely off. But that white is puffing good, and I was just showing you that so you guys can see the depths of the white. Also, you can press puff multiple times. I'm not sure if you know that, but you can press puff multiple times to make sure you get the puff out. I do want to shout out Jay Stewart. You can check out her channel because she has a really nice puff video using different types of puff. So you can check that out as well. But yeah, y'all. So now we're going to go ahead and pull it off, and woo, there it go. Ha ha. Okay, the metallic, you got to peel it off. Then it'll puff. Okay, so 310 seconds. The metallic, you just gotta peel it off, then it'll puff up. This one did so good. So now I got to thinking, I said, I want to use a bigger strip of puff because I'm like, this is some little hearts. If you saw in Cricut, the little metallic was like less than an inch. So I said, let's print out some bigger pieces of it and see how it goes. So we pulled the Cricut back out and cut it, and let's see. Oh, baby, stop playing. These both were at 300 degrees for 10 seconds. Do you guys see the indentation of the puff? Do you guys see it indented into the cotton? Oh yeah, that looks good. So I took my little weeding tool and I'm trying to, you see that puff come through. Okay, so that's it. That is VTS 3D Super Puff, and you guys can use my link down in the description as well as my coupon code for Dreamers. Specifically, the code is Dreamers with an S. All of that will be down in the description. Look at that puff, y'all. Shout out to Vinyl and Tool Supply. I am loving it. Okay, you guys, that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dream On is the handle. TikTok, Do Dream On is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there, you hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.